Snapchat basically released a new feature which is called Snapchat Plus, and this basically provides you with exclusive, experimental, and pre-release features. Now, a few features which this would entail is basically to see who rewatched your story, and also to see basically ghost trails, that is basically persons in particular location or where persons have been. However, those individuals would have to have a Snapchat Plus as well, and as you can see here, these are the subscription fees. 1 month is $3.99, 6 months is basically $22, and a year is $40. Now I'm going to actually test the 1 week free trial to see what this has, and I'm going to go over each feature individually to basically see what's in store. Now, Snapchat Plus is a new feature, and of course these new features won't roll out for all locations. So as you can see here, as of now, Snapchat Plus will be available in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates. However, these features will roll out for future market in the near future. So keep that in mind. And there are alternatives to access these Snapchat Plus features if you aren't living in any of these regions. And basically, I will provide you with another tutorial as to how to do that. It is pretty simple. So yeah. Now, these are experimental features, so you can't expect them to work 100% perfectly, but I'll basically go through these features in another video and let you know what they entail. So that is it. This is just a synopsis or an overview of Snapchat Plus. It is not available for everyone, but I mean, these are unique features which definitely change the game. So that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative. Hacker 007 out.